Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm riding solo today, but I want to show you guys this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous 79 Jeep Renegade. It's definitely a nice resto. She's got a lot of life in her paint. These wheels, oversized. Love the rag top. Just a really pretty car in a beautiful resale red. Painted out bumpers. Yeah, this thing's cool. It was built for some performance. It was built to be driven. It's really quite smooth. Power steering on it, and also it is a manual. So I think that gives it a little bit of extra fun flair. He's got an aftermarket stereo system, both sides. But the rag top is in amazing shape. I mean, it's like brand new basically. Looking gorgeous, and it drives just as nice. So let's actually do that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here, and I'll see you guys on the road. All right, we are on the road. She fires right up. So AC blows too, but obviously there's no vent, so it just hits your feet, but it'll do the job getting you cool. So let's go take her for a spin. Yeah, she's shifting really smooth, and I'm not getting any type of road shake. I'm very impressed with actually how smooth this thing is driving, especially for having those oversized tires on it. Braking, let's do a little brake check. She stayed fairly straight for us there. Look at that shiny red hood. Paint's really good in this thing. Yeah, but she's running pretty good, guys. Oh, say a little door pop. She's notorious for, but she's definitely running solid. So I'm gonna make a U-turn, and we can get her back to the shop on a lift and see what there's to see.